morning, everyone. I thought we'd do a walkthrough today of the folio that's the fast, easy, and fun to put together folio. And I just have an array of them at the moment, so I just thought that I would share how I put them together, or how I decorated them. And this one will be first. Take off the bow. And I added, if you've seen this before, I did add a couple of silver snowflakes to this one. And a cute little snowman, little tag. And then snowman heads on the inside. This one's pretty simple with, you know, pattern paper and snowflake stamps at the top. So that's one in the back. And the next one is, this one says Merry Christmas. Pretty little bow on it. And a nice pocket with a snowman, a couple of stickers, a couple of tags you could put photos on the back of. And inside, some pretty papers, a few stickers here and there. I keep these pretty, you know, blank because you're going to put photos in here. And then the waterfall has some red cardstock and has a decorative piece on each page. And again, you could put photos on both sides, but I think just, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 is plenty. 5, 6, 7 photos, plus, you know, what you put in the front pocket. And the next one, this is my favorite one here because I love Cartabella cardstock or pattern paper because of the, it has a texture to it. It is a little bit thicker of a paper, and then again you could put a photo back here, cute little pockets, little Merry Christmas sign. This one I put a magnet on. The other two, no closure. And then, you know, pretty plain on these pages inside, but I think the paper and then the photos will tell the story. And a few stickers here, and I have some fun stickers on the inside of the waterfall. So that's the fast, fun folio, easy to put together. I hope you check out that video and make a few of these for the holiday season. You'll find, I think you can make one of these in 20 minutes. The decorating process maybe take you a few minutes longer, but you know, it's all fun. And I hope you enjoyed taking a look at these. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Comment in the comment section. Everything that you do for me helps, you know, get my channel out there, and I need more subscribers, so hit that bell so that you get updated, you know, when I post a video. And thanks for joining me. Have a great day.